Did you know that replacing your roof could significantly impact your home insurance premiums? This isn't just about the cost of materials or labor, it's about how insurers view risk. When you invest in a new roof, you're not only protecting your home but also potentially lowering your premiums. But why does this matter more now than ever before? Let's break it down. Roof replacement costs have been climbing for several key reasons. First, the price of high-quality materials like asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and synthetic underlayment has surged due to supply chain disruptions. And let's not forget weather. More frequent severe storms, hail, and wildfires mean roofs wear out faster.
A newer storm-resistant roof can lower your premium, while an older one might trigger higher costs or exclusions for hail or wind damage. This shift means homeowners need to weigh long-term savings against upfront investments, especially in high-risk areas where roofs are under constant stress. Homeowners can take proactive steps to mitigate rising roof replacement costs and insurance impacts. Regular inspections, ideally twice a year, can catch issues early, like cracked shingles or water damage, before they escalate into expensive repairs. Choosing cost-effective yet durable materials, such as asphalt shingles with impact-resistant shingles. At first, the upfront cost is steep, around $12,000, but their insurance.
Conversely, if they'd chosen a cheaper roof without proper ratings, they might face higher premiums later when storms roll in, or even denied coverage for wind damage. This is why choosing durable materials upfront isn't just about immediate costs. It's a strategic move to protect your wallet and your